In this video I'm gonna try and teach you how to double backflip in a couple of easy steps, so let's get right into it. The only thing you will need for this trick is a high and good backflip. Now if you've got that, then we're gonna go into the first step. So the first step is doing your backflip and try and look for the ground as you're coming down. And now when you can do a backflip and look for the ground when you're coming down, now it's time to try and not land on your feet, but keep on going until you land on your ass, so you get a little bit more of rotation going. When you can do a backflip and land on your ass, you gotta do the same thing, but keep going until you land on your back. So when you can do a jumping backflip onto your back, it's time to try and make it into a standing one. A tip for this is just doing your backflip as you would before, but now change up your tuck from a regular kind of gymnast tuck into a cowboy tuck. And doing just that will increase your rotation speed quite a lot, but what you could do even more is going into a regular tuck in the beginning, and then just after you tuck, you gotta pull out into a cowboy tuck, which you can see right here. So now after this, it's kind of just a matter of going for the double backflip, but there's one more prerequisite that you can do, but you don't have to do, which is a Cody that is over-rotated to your back. Now I won't teach you how to Cody in this video, but if you can Cody, just kind of do the same thing, but in a Cody. After this, you just have to believe in yourself, because you need to think with logic. If you can do a standing backflip to your back and you take a lots of height, then you should be able to do your first double. So those are the prerequisites. Now for the actual double back, you want to make sure to throw your arms and then tuck, as I said, regular tuck into cowboy tuck, and then keep your head in, don't lean back too much, and just take lots of bounds. Now the first few times are gonna be tricky because it's hard to know the timing when you're gonna land, but when you try it the first times, you just gotta go for it and try and look for the landing, try and feel out when you're supposed to open. And then I promise you, after a couple of tries, you should get the timing and it should be quite easy. That was my double backflip tutorial. If you liked it, then leave a like, and I would appreciate if you leave any comments on what I should do a tutorial on next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.